Hi everybody. I'm just gonna go on live and talk about some things about my upcoming birthday show. Wait lang, naglalog in lang ako sa... Yes, may tickets pa. May tickets pa tayo. But there's only few tickets left. That's why I wanted to go live because medyo na-overwhelm ako sa ticket selling. I was actually partying when we were selling the tickets, so I'm just like overstimulated about everything. But ultimately, I just want to say thank you to everybody who bought tickets on... nakamute ako. May audio ba ako? Do I have an audio? May audio ba? Walang filter ako tonight, ha? Oh, ayan, ang ganda, ang fresh, diba? Pero, galing ako sa party. That's why, medyo all over the place ako kanina when we were selling the tickets. But honestly, I'm so happy. And honestly, like, at the beginning, parang, nung una, parang nagdududa pa ako na may bibili mo ng tickets with this price and everything. Kasi, syempre, we wanted to give you a show talaga. So, dinamihan ko talaga yung lineup. Meron ding mga queens din na in-ask namin, but unfortunately, the schedules didn't match. So, hopefully in the future, ma-invite namin sila. But, so far, ito yung sa tingin namin mag-work talaga na cast and lineup. And who knows, we might add a few ones pa in the next coming days. We'll see how it works out and how it pans out in the next coming days. But yeah, I'm so excited about the show on November 29th. It's my first birthday show it's my first proper birthday show. Because the last proper birthday show that I did was in Nectar pa, and I was, 4 months in drag. So ngayon lang ulit ako talaga magbe-birthday show ng, as a fully realized queen. Nagkaroon ako ng mga birthday celebration, shows in the past, but it's not, a show that I created. So this one, it's still your, parang regular drag show in the Philippines, and you know how we do it there. But medyo marami akong numbers for you guys. So, talagang lahat ng pagkukulang ko sa inyo kasi ilang months akong wala sa Philippines lagi. Mas marami pa akong performance abroad kasi sa Philippines. Ibibigay ko sa show na to. I think I have about 7 to 8 numbers this night. So, and some of it hindi niyo pa nakikita. And some of it gusto niyong makita sa Philippines. So, ibang performances dadalhin namin. At dahil dyan, si Ace pumasok na dahil meron kaming celebratory KFC. Dahil parang nasa roughly 80% ticket solds na kami in a span of 3 hours, which I'm so happy about. Yeah. Yes, you're fed! Parang almost 8 numbers ba ako? Parang no? Oo. 8 numbers kami. 8 numbers ako, rather. And then, your favorite queens will be there. Meron kaming performance ni Precious Paula Nicole. Meron kaming performance ni Eva the Queen. Meron kaming performance nila Kiana, Zimba, Jade, Deja, and Naia all together in one stage. And y'all are gonna gag. And then Arizona and Hannah will be there as well. Matilda will be spinning for me. And then Baus Rufo, the 50%, the other half of Dog Show Divas, my good friend, will be hosting this event. I think this Baus first time hosting Rampa. Parang no, first time mag-host ni Baus ng Rampa kasi Rampa new venue. Kasi bihirang pumunta ng QC yan. ayun, so I'm really, really excited. We will be doing rehearsals as soon as I get back from the Philippines. Pero medyo napag-usapan na namin lahat. And lahat sila game na game sa lahat ng paandar. So, minake sure ko muna na G sila sa lahat ng paandar bago namin buuin yung show. Kasi parang ito yung mga numbers na gagawin namin is like medyo fan service talaga siya. And I feel like I dedicate this birthday show talaga to all the fans. So I was really, really, really happy and shocked when we saw the traffic of the ticket sales coming in. Kasi, you know, someone na, na laging wala sa Philippines, akala ko tinalikuran nyo na ako. Akala ko ayun yun na sa akin. And ito yung unang show na ipaproduce ko in a long while. The last show that I produced was with LGD and Hana pa. Tama, no? LGD and Hana pa. So, yeah, I'm really, really happy. For those of you who doesn't have any tickets yet, capsummers.helixpayph is where you can find all the tickets. I believe we only have parang 50% of the theater standing and then 25% of the VIP standing, and all other seats, I believe, is already sold out. So, thank you all so much. At, ayun, and to those who are asking, kasi normally, di ba, merong mga VIP couches pa doon sa area ng VIP standing, and then meron pang mga cocktail tables sa VIP standing and theater standing, di ba? Usually ganon. But strategically, me and my team decided that we wanted to get rid of the cocktail tables just so we could accommodate more showgoers, since this is parang the only event that I'm doing this year, and I'm pretty sure marami sa inyo yung gugustuhin din manood talaga. So we wanted to make sure that there's more space for people to watch the show, and I feel like yun din naman talaga yung purpose ng show, is not for you guys to, alam mo yun, to drink, gano'n. Pero which, hindi naman namin, alam mo yun, hindi naman namin ino-oppose. I mean, the main reason why we wanted to do the show is to give you a show, and we wanted more people to see the show. Cause parang based dun sa mga previous namin na shows when we do clubs, parang there's a hindrance in terms of like amount of people that can be accommodated. So ayun, we wanted to replace the cocktail tables and the tables with real people, with fans, you know. So ayun, yun yung reason why wala tayong mga cocktail tables sa standing areas. I hope you guys understand, and thank you so much for all the support. So at dahil dyan, mag-KFC na kami habang mag-Q&A tayo, no guys? Mag-Q&A tayo. Sige, mag-Q&A tayo. Ano kayo ng Q&A nyo dyan? Dahil nag-order ako ng chicken. Kasi uminom kami. Kasi last night ko na sa Australia ngayon. And then uwi ako ng Philippines. Literally just for a day to pack. And then India naman ako. Para sa mga hindi pa nakakabili ng tickets, again, it's campsummers.helixpay.ph. Ang bango, oh my God. Ang bango, guys. Ang laki ng KFC nila dito. Hindi naman problematic yung KFC, di ba? Kasi yung KFC dun malapit sa akin sa bahay, progressive naman sila. Ano to?
Yung poppers na chicken, popcorn.
Ha? Akala ko chicken na lang yung in-order ko. May popcorn pa?
Order ka. Tatlo yun.
Kung naman anong ganap sa birthday show. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita. Kanina ko pa sinasabi ko anong mangyayari sa birthday show ko. Huwag nang mag-birthday talaga. May gravy ba? Ayan, may gravy. Oh, may question. Will there be a roasting part about you? Abangan! Abangan kung anong mangyayari. Basta, kung ako sa inyo, kung ayaw nyo ma-FOMO, pumunta kayo talaga. Kasi, is minors allowed? No, minors are not allowed because it's a club. And there's drinks and we don't want to get in trouble. So, unfortunately, minors are not allowed. It's strictly 18 and above sa event. So, sorry. I have class. Mas importante yung klase. Hindi ka maipapasa ng ng birthday show ko. Will we be seeing you as Glinda? Abangan! I mean, kita niyo naman sa poster. Hindi ko alam kung Glinda ba yon or ano ba? Sharpay Evans. Are ticket holders allowed to stay in the venue after your show? Yes. Yes. It's a full-on party for the entire night. So, yes. Hindi siya another party. It's like, we just want, ako kasi as a tita, at gusto kong pumarty after din naman talaga. At saka yung ibang girls kasi may show pa sila after midnight. So, we wanted to make the show as per usual. Ako naman pag nag-show ako, diba? Parang usually, maaga talaga. And then after noon, parang medyo after party / celebration na nating lahat. So magpa-party tayong lahat. At baka magdagdag pa kami ng DJs, so to spin for us. So buong gabi magpa-party lang tayo. Tama, no? Tama? Sure ka dyan? Oh, sure daw si Ace. Kapag ka pinalabas kayo, hanapin nyo lang si Ace. No, but i-confirm namin, but I really do believe na buong gabi tayo lahat doon. Kylene, I miss you! No consumable drink for ticket. No, there's no consumable drink for ticket. Yung tickets are only for tickets lang. Pero, if you are seated at the VIP tickets or the cocktail tables, there's no minimum purchase naman. Unlike before, diba? It's parang pag pumasok kayo, meron kayong entrance fee and then you have to pay for the consumable pa ng tables. We were able to manage to cancel, remove the consumable requirement for tables. Yeah. So, walang consumable that night. It's just for the show, basically. What about the VIP standing? Yeah, there's no tables for VIP standing. It's gonna be a mosh pit, basically. It's gonna be a concert vibe. And it's gonna be just how I do my events sa Rampa prior. If nakapunta na kayo sa mga shows namin with La Grande, diba, and Hannah, standing talaga. Kasi ako, I really do feel the energy when you guys are dancing, when you guys are jumping, and alam mo yun, hindi nakaupo yung nasa harapan namin. And yeah, that's my personal preference lang. So, yes, unfortunately, wala tayong cocktail tables. Para there's more room to dance, there's more room for people to go to. Lalo na sa VIP standing, we wanna feel the energy. No, tingnan mo to. titignan namin yung mga tickets. In fairness. Ilang percent na kaya to? Parang sa VIP standing. Wait. Oh my God, really? Wait lang ha. Chine-check ko lang namin tong ano. Wait lang. Medyo nauga ako. Okay. Guys, listen. Sa VIP standing, we only have 30 tickets. Sa theater standing, we only have 60 tickets. So basically, we can only accommodate 90 more people. So, yes, ganun na lang kaunti ang kaya namin i-accommodate. So, abang-abang. Meet and greet is?
I think may 13 na.
Parang 10 lang nga lang. Sa meet and greet, parang 10 slots na lang. Kasi, we can only accommodate a few people. Kasi, we have to open house after that. Since Kiana is in the show, is there another performance with Kiana? Yes, merong performance din yung Queens. Basta abangan nyo na lang. Meron din silang mga solo performances. Is that fine without ordering sa VIP standing or just fine holding a drink? Yes, it's totally fine if you did not order. But it would be more fun if you have a drink on hand. And it definitely would help Rampa as well. Because, you know, they've been partnering with us for a very long time now. And, you know, our dear sisters, diba, some Divine Divas also partly owns Rampa. So it would really help them, the sales that night. Because all the drink sales will go to, you know, Rampa talaga. So, we also encourage you to drink, have fun that night. But yeah, unfortunately, wala nang mapaglalagyan ng mga drinks. So, drink lang. No tables for the drink. Yes, that's how we party here abroad. Charot. Ganun naman yung mga parties abroad talaga. Sadly, sa atin talaga, medyo spoiled ang mga party goers. Charot. Saan makakabili ng ticket? You can buy the tickets at, nawala yung comment ko. Teka nga, ano ko. Oo. Ilagay ko yung tickets, ha. campsummers.helixpay.ph. Also, can we talk about how smooth the ticket selling is with Camp Summers? Tagal namin inano yan. Pinipiga ko silang lahat. Nagda-dry run pa kami, guys, para sa inyo, ha. Nagsa-simulation pa kami ng ticket selling para sa inyo. Ganun namin kayo kamahal para hindi kayo mahirapan sa pagbili ng tickets. wala nang iba, wala nang mga etchos, bili, agad, pabilisan. Cocktail standing me, di pwede kumain. Pwedeng kumain kasi may cocktail table kayo. Right, I love Camp Summers queuing. Thank you so much. Everybody say thank you, Camp Summers. Thank you, Camp Summers. Palakpakan din natin si Carlo. Dahil si Carlo ang aking head for this one. Palakpakan natin si Carlo, guys. Pag nakita nyo siya sa event, mag-congrats kayo sa kanya. Kasi first big event ni Carlo to. Is there an online viewing? Wala po tayong online viewing. Pero i-vlog, baka i-vlog na lang natin, no? How naman po kaming mga nakabaler. Unfortunately, wala tayong, hindi ko alam kung paano mag-live viewing. Meron ba gano'n? Pay-per-view? Meron, no?
Live stream.
O, pag na-sold out, i-sold out nyo muna, magpapa-livestream kami. Kaso mabagal internet sa Rampa eh.
Yung mga
Magda-time modem, gano'n.
sariling styling.
Sige, try namin pag-aralan namin yan kasi hindi pa kami nag-livestream before eh. Try namin. Para sa mga team bahay, team probinsya, team out of Manila, team abroad, at mga team estudyante, team duty, yung mga yan. Pay-per-view tayo, try natin. Pag-aralan namin muna. Magsi-simulation ulit kami para sa inyo. Alam mo, ang dami nag-message din na same birthday nila yung November 29. Pero hindi ko birthday yung November 29. Yun lang yung available day ko kasi ayoko magtrabaho sa birthday ko mismo. So, bibigay ko yung birthday ko mismo sa friends and family ko talaga. Pero itong November 29, humanda kayo. Kasi alam mo, feeling ko, dun sa mga story na naman nila, para sila roller coaster. Para kayo Enchanted Kingdom. Yung Space Shuttle. Ganun kayo video eh. Para kayo nasa Space Shuttle. May merch po ba kayo sa event? Yes po, meron po tayong merch sa event. Pinapagawa pa lang namin ngayon, pero meron tayong bagong design. Anong gusto nyo design ng merch? Gusto nyo ba ng It's not the dress, it's you shirt? Ang dami natawa sa inyo. Ang dami nakarelate na parang nasa roller coaster kapag ka nagbe-video. Yan ang gusto ko. Approve sa akin yan. Yung hindi ko na maririnig yung music. Ganon. Ang nakakabilib pa sa inyo, kahit sobrang hysterical nyo ng sumigaw, steady pa rin yung video, no? Kasi kung ako yun, feeling ko, kisame na yung naano ko. Kisame na. Madam, paano yung sa VIP standing? Need po ba maaga dumating para mas malapit sa stage? Sorry po, first time going. Yes po, sa lahat po ng standing, based dun sa description na binigay namin sa website namin, lahat ng standings areas are first come, first serve kasi walang reserve seating or like walang reserve slots doon. I mean, seating, tama. Hindi siya parang sa VIP couches and sa cocktail tables, parang ganoon din, di ba? Cocktail tables, pero max of 4 lang siya. Pero, hindi naman strictly 4 lang, ganon. Basta yung area na yon, max lang namin 4 people per cocktail table. And may tendency na, kung dalawa lang kayo, may makakashare kayo sa table. I know it's kind of intimidating, but it's your time to make friends, your next friends sa pagnood ng mga shows. And yun din yung nakita namin, parang maraming nabubuong mga friendships sa mga drag shows. So, it's time. Mga 5 a.m. pa din na kayo pumunta. Wag naman ganun kaaga. Parang yung last event ko sa Arizona Bonding, parang 7 a.m. pa lang nakapila na sila, Sila Pauline yun, di ba? May mga fans na nakapila. Mother, may merch booth ba? Meron, di ba? Sa entrance. Usually sa entrance yung merch booth. Pwede po ba 17 years old sa Rampa? Unfortunately, no. Because it's a club and there's alcohol and partying involved. So, unfortunately, wala tayong availability ng tickets for 17 years old. Kasi i-check din yung ID nyo bago pumasok. So, kahit bumili kayo ng ticket, tapos underage kayo, you won't be allowed to come in the venue. Strictly 18 plus siya. Ang daming question. Teka lang. Kailan next show mo after your birthday show? I think yung Drag in the South year-end na. And then probably mga March na ulit. Mga March na. So, medyo matagal-tagal. So, importanteng mapanood nyo to. Kasi ito yung last na parang self-produced show ko this year as well. Ganda ng skin. Ganda, kasi parang 70% na tayo. Ayan si Carlo guys, so mag-thank you kayo kay Carlo, tsaka mag-congrats kayo kay Carlo. Ang asawa ni Ace. Excited na mo imposibleng hindi magmahalan pag-uwi. Charis! Paano kapag walang physical ID? Kailangan may ID. Or ID picture, no? Pwede bang ID picture? Hindi ko alam kung paano ginagawa nila sa rampa O, kailangan may physical ID talaga. Club yun Usually, hinihinam. Merch can be online available. Wala pa so far. Bakit?
Sabi niya, ang Don Bell na.
Sino?
Carlo Don Bell. Donnie
Sino nagsabi?
Si Hannah.
Hannah Beshi?
Hannah Dames.
Si Hannah Dames. Ang Don Bell ng Asan niya? Ba't di ko nababasa? Kasi late.
Date.
Mama Chad Guinness is here. I'll see you sa show. See you. Ba't di ka kasi nag-music museum, ma? Wala, kinabahan ako Meron akong kinabahan ako kung masasell out ko ba yung music museum. Mahirap ibenta nun Tsaka, parang, it's a birthday show and it's too much work kasi we have to, kailangan namin pagandahin yung music museum, kailangan namin mag-LED, magpasok ng mga lights and everything, and I don't want that amount of work for my birthday. So, this is like the easiest and most convenient way na hindi ako masistress masyado at may enjoy ko pa rin yung show. Kasi on top of that, I have 7 to 8 numbers. And on top of that, I'm also producing the show. So, and I'm also directing the show. So, medyo marami akong responsibility and I don't want, that added pressure of added work sa pagpuno ng music museum and pagpapaganda ng music museum. Although we've done it a couple of times before, numerous times before, but for this one, I wanted to, keep it chill. Seven to 8 numbers. Yes, 7 to 8 numbers. Brigiding ding ding. Thank you, sister. Happy birthday to you too. Huh? Binirthday din. Ilang hours yung party? The show starts at 8 p.m. We end approximately before 12 and the party goes on after. So, dun tayo mag-iinuman after the party talaga. Kasi ako mag-stay ako talaga to party kasi day off ko ng 30 Tama? Magpa-party ako. So, dun tayo mag-celebrate ng birthday ko sa rampa. So, ayun. Basahin ko lang ibang questions. We need a merch na de-zipper yung likod para release me ang atake. Nakakatawa. Asan pa yung ibang comments? Basahin ko na yung mga comments, ah. May singing bee rin po ba like sa Arizona bonding? Yan mga gusto niyo mga dog show, ayaw niyo ng drag excellence. May need ba akong i-prepare? First time ko sa umattend ng drag show and meet and greet. Unang-una sa lahat, comfortable clothes, or kung gusto mo mag-inarte, pwede ka namang mag-inarte, basta walang sisihan. Mag-corset ka, go. Mag-heels ka, go. Pero ako, pag mga party, I suggest wag open toe heels or like open toe shoes kasi baka may chance na matapakan kayo or whatnot. Ang sakit nun sa ingrown. Number 2, make sure meron sa inyo yung QR code. Meron kayong unique QR code per person. Lahat ng ticket purchase, merong unique QR code. And then, third, bring ID. Always bring ID. Fourth, just bring personal belongings. Parang pa-party lang kayo. Na, importante lang. Huwag na masyadong maraming gamit kasi hindi pa papayagan ang malalaking bags sa loob ng club. Loob ng bar. Okay? Ano pa? Come as you are.
Magpaalam sa parents.
Magpaalam sa parents. Walang tatakas.
Ganyan lang si Marina.
Ang daming ganyan sa inyo. Charot. Hindi, ako din naman, tumatakas din naman ako noon. Pero choice nyo yan, di ba? Malalaki na kayo. Hindi naman required na magdala ng gift sa meet and greet. Hindi ko rin in-require yun. Dahil masyado na akong maraming gamit sa bahay. Marami na rin akong gamit. So, I don't recommend. But, anything na gusto nyong i-gift dahil wala naman akong magagawa kung mag-gift kayo, di ba? I would really, really appreciate it as always. At oras na para ibalik ang online unboxing na pinasikat natin nung kasagsagan ng Drag Race Philippines Season 1 at UK vs. The World. So, ibabalik natin yan every time. At tama, alam nyo pa yung isa? I-ready ninyo yung storage ng phone ninyo. Meron akong nakita last time, nasa audience ako, nag-memory full habang nagbe-video. Paano yun? Eh, ang dami kong numbers niyan, di ba? Tapos, ang after nun, upload nyo sa Google Drive lahat ng performance ko, tapos isend nyo sa akin or sa Cap Summers. Para ma-edit namin at mag-trending tayo, no? Power bank, yes. Magdala daw ng power bank. Factory reset muna daw bago magrampa. Tama. Nag-memory full ako nung Thanksgiving. Pwede makiupo sa VIP seated. Depende. Pero
Sa racebank, baka mahigpit bouncers.
mahigpit yung bouncers namin eh. Sa Camp Summers, kapag naka-attend na kayo ng show namin, medyo mahigpit yung mga bouncers namin. Kasi unfair sa mga bumili. Kahit na sabihin mong friends kanila or whatnot, di ba? Para lang, pantay-pantay tayo. Walang makakalamang-lamang, no? Ma, is the theater standing like nasa taas, like balcony? No! Yung balcony super taas nun eh. Yung theater, mas elevated lang siya. So parang VIP cocktail table medyo mas mataas ng konti. Tapos mas mataas sa cocktail standing ng konti yung theater standing. So you will still be able to see the entire show, you know. Kumuha ng pulutan sa VIP seated. Oh, ito pa guys, sa lahat ng mga kakaya kong titos and titas, ninongs and ninangs, na hindi nakapag-avail ng VIP seated kasi konti lang yung VIP seated natin. It's gonna be a long night. So make sure na you wear something comfortable, mag-salon pass sa lahat ng mga joints, kasu-kasuan. But we will make it worth it for you guys. We will make it worth it kagaya ng lahat ng events namin sa Camp Summers. Mapa show man yan, uh, meet and greet man yan, exhibit man yan. We always make sure that the quality of the shows and products that we give you are at par with my standards. Kasi kung hindi yan papasa sa inyo, mas lalong hindi yan papasa sa akin. Okay, so ako yung unang sumisita sa kanilang lahat. So, akong bahala sa inyo.
Yun.
Pwede po ba mag-attend yung may mga gout? Pwede kasi nasa cast si Hana. ang Vice President for External Affairs ng Gout Philippines. Hana Beshi. Pwede. Andun ang inyong undersecretary. Ano pa mga question? Pwede po ba mag-jump from balcony to cocktail standing? Bawal! Huy! Ano ba yun? Pwede ba birth certificate na lang kapag walang physical ID? Pwede. Hindi, wag. Kailangan ID. Hindi ko alam kasi ano yung club yun bar yun Kailangan may ID. Pero kung may birth certificate ka, anong magagawa namin doon? ID din yun, di ba? Pero kung meron kang picture ng ID mo, tapos birth certificate, siguro pwede yun, no? Hindi ko rin alam So, ewan ko ba? Paano ba yan? Pwede po ba umupo sa sahig kapag ngalay na? Pwede naman, kaso matatapak-tapakan ka lang. Ano pa? Wait lang, magbabasa na ako ng comments Teka ka lang kayo. When are you coming to Australia? Your performance is the best. Naku, I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm here in Australia. Charis. Will it be a full performance as a birthday prod or may segments like games and other paandar? Abangan nyo na lang. Charis. Abangan nyo na lang yan siya. Ipatarpaulin na lang yung ID daw. Ilang hours po yung estimated yung show? Roughly more than 3 hours, 3.5 hours. Or almost 4 hours. Kasama yung DJ sets. But after that, meron pa ring party. The party will still keep going. So, stay lang kayo. Magpa-party tayo all together. Ilan na lang available for VIP standing. Let me check. What? 28 na lang guys ang VIP standing award. Tapos ang theater 57 na lang guys. So roughly ilan na lang yun? Nasa 85, 80. Ewan ko. Parang ganun na lang yung matitira. 80, no? Parang ganun. May tips pa ba for Queens? Yes, pwede kayo mag-tips sa Queens. Meron tayong time para mag-tip sa queens. Kahit wag na sa akin, pero carry lang din naman kung magtitip kayo sa akin. Kasi 7 numbers yun, di ba? Pero meron kayong chance to tip your favorite queens when we are doing the show. While we're doing the numbers, pwede rin. And after their numbers, pwede. Tip the queens always, yes. Although it's not compulsory, but it's another way of saying thank you and gratitude and appreciation to your queens. Pagkatapos ba ng meet and greet, lalabas ulit pipila po ulit? Hindi. After ng meet and greet, pwede ka nang pumwesto agad. Yun yung advantage ng meet and greet. Yun ang advantage ng meet and greet para makapwesto kayo agad. And, pangalan na to, yun. Meron kayong chance na, hindi kailangan pumila ulit sa labas. Kasi may wristbands naman na kayo and you're inside the venue already. You don't have to go out already. Itong mga pinag-usapan natin, ipakalat nyo na lang mga ayoko nang ulitin, charis. Ayun. Yes, hindi na kailangan lumabas ng mga magbi-meet and greet. Ganun kami sa Camp Summers. Ayoko nahihirapan kayo. Okay. Okay, magpaalam na tayo kay Ace dahil mag-flight na kami tomorrow. Ayan. Ako din, baka magpaalam na rin ako very, very soon. I think meron pa kaming few meet and greets available. We're trying to work out how the process is if nakapag-check out na kayo and hindi kayo nakabili ng meet and greet. Ayun. So, tulog na kasi yung mga tao ata dyan. So, we don't wanna bother them at this hour. Hindi naman kami 24 hours din. We also need to rest. Because we've been up all night. We've been up a couple of days na. So, just preparing for this. So, ayun. Mother, pwede ba magpunta ng 7 para makaagad ng good spots sa VIP standing? Yes, we encourage you to come early. Usually, an hour. Pero, minsan, may mga maaga pa rin talaga. Like 2 hours before the show, ganyan. Pero, hindi ko kasi alam kung paano yung weather ngayon sa Philippines. I am not sure. But regardless kung pumunta kayo on time or later or on time, we made sure na yung vantage point pa rin, yung makikita nyo sa show will be nice kahit na alam mo yun, late na kayo dumating. Ayun. Ang importante pa rin is safety ninyo. Hindi naman kailangan 7 hours mag-aantay sa pila. Hindi naman ako bini. Hindi naman ako, alam mo yun, wala naman tayo sa mga arena or whatnot, diba? Importante, safe kayo at hindi kayo maulanan, alam mo yun, hindi kayo magutom sa pila. Regardless kung saan kayo nakapwesto, you will still have a great time, okay? And mostly naman, like for example, para sa ating mga short-legged people, if hindi talaga maayos yung natin, yung view natin, it's okay to ask the person in front of you kung pwede ba makisingit or whatnot kasi free sitting naman siya. And I believe lahat naman ng mga attend ng show may bukal na puso. Ayun. Anyways, for those of you who haven't gotten tickets yet, we only have a few tickets left for VIP standing and theater standing. All the seats sa VIP seating And sa pangalan nito, sa cocktail table and sa balcony are all sold out, thankfully. So we already have a show going on on November 29th, and it's gonna be a show. We prepared so many numbers for you guys, and we'll make your time worth it. We're gonna make it worth it for you guys. So thank you so much. I'm gonna rest now because I have an early flight tomorrow. I will be back home for a day, and then I will be going to India to do my last few international shows this year, and then we are gonna do a Philippine tour when I'm back. Unfortunately, hindi na matutuloy yung South America tour because of scheduling issues, but we are definitely gonna pushing through next year for South America, for Latin America. I just yeah, it's just nagkasakit din ako recently, diba? So we wanted to make sure also the health is taken care of. Ayun. So, ayun. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys very soon. And thank you so much for all the love and support, especially for this show. It's very, very special for me. It's my first proper birthday show. Yeah, I cannot believe that we were able to sell out so much tickets in a span of 4 hours. And it really means a lot to me. Kasi syempre, diba, lagi akong wala sa Pilipinas and akala ko nakalimutan nyo na ako. But yeah, again, I'll see you guys very soon. Mag-live ulit tayo as we move earlier to the day. Ayun. We'll see you guys very, very soon. Thank you so much and I love you all. Mwah. Mahal ko kayo. Bye.